From all of us at Walure, we want to wish you a Merry Christmas filled with joy and laughter.
2024 has been an incredible year, and we couldn't have done it without your support. Thank you for being on the journey with us.
This season is all about love, kindness, and giving back. Let's all take a moment to appreciate the little things that makes life beautiful.
And here's to celebrating the holiday season filled with laughter and happiness.
As we look ahead to 2025, we're excited to keep innovating, growing, and creating solutions to make a difference.
To our clients, our partners, and our communities, your trust and collaboration mean the whole world to us, and we are grateful for you. Thank you.
Let's step into the new year with the right attitude. Be positive, have big goals, big dreams, and determination to achieve all your goals.
To a brighter and smarter 2025, we say a Merry Christmas and a prosperous